everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the extraordinary life and literary legacy of Jose Rizal, the Philippine national hero. We'll explore his incredible journey, his revolutionary writings, and the lasting impact he had on his nation. Jose Rizal wasn't just a writer. He was a polymath, a doctor, an artist, a linguist, and a visionary. His life was a statement of his intellect and his unwavering commitment to his people. Born in Calamba, Laguna in 1861, he excelled in his studies, eventually traveling to Europe to further his education. His time abroad exposed him to different cultures and ideas, fueling his desire for reform in the Philippines. Witnessing the injustice and oppression suffered by his countrymen under Spanish colonial rule, he decided to use his pen as a weapon. And now let's talk about his novel. His first novel, Noli Me Tangere, or Touch Me Not, published in 1887, was a bombshell. It wasn't just a story, it was a powerful indictment of the abuses of colonial system. Through the character of Crisostomo Ibarra, Rizal exposed the hypocrisy, corruption, and cruelty that plagued Philippine society. The novel's impact was immediate and profound, sparking widespread discussion and challenging the status quo, but it also made Rizal a target of the Spanish authorities. And later, Rizal followed up with El Filibusterisme, The Reign of Greed in 1891. This sequel is even more radical, depicting a more violent and desperate struggle for freedom. It reflects the growing frustration and anger among the Filipino people. While both novels are fictional, they are deeply rooted in reality, reflecting the harsh condition and social injustice of Rizal's time. They are not just historical documents, they are gripping stories that continue to resonate with readers today. Sadly, Rizal's fight for reform ultimately led to his execution in 1896, but his legacy lived on his novel. In ignited the Philippine Revolution, inspiring generations to fight for independence and self-determination.
Pinagsikapan kong isagawa ang ayaw isagawa ng iba. Sa aking mga nobela ay pinilit kong sagutin ang mga mapanirang puring paratang sa aming mga Pilipino. Inilahad ko ang kawawang kalagayan ng aking bayan, ang aming mga karaingan at kalungkutan. Consumatum est!
Rizal's courage, his intellect, and his unwavering commitment to his people make him a true hero. His novel remains essential reading for understanding Philippine history and the enduring struggle for freedom and justice. What are your thoughts on Rizal's life and work?